This is John, founder of House of Code. So today I'm going to show you how we're using team-gpt to write NLP-friendly paragraphs, right? As you can see on the left side, like I have different projects here, but for this video, I'm just going to talk about like how you can use the AI to write NLP-friendly paragraphs. So as you know, I'm a big fan of semantic SEO, and it is very important that the text you write is NLP-friendly so that it's easier for Google to understand, especially on the intros and outros and below the important paragraphs, right? So I use this in two ways. The first one I've actually done in here so that we don't waste time is I use this article, right? So it starts with this header, what is called email. And what I did is, well, first of all, let's look at this paragraph, right? So what is called email? So what's exactly a cold email? If you're in the earlier days of marketing, you might be thinking, isn't it just emailing someone you don't know, blah, blah, blah. So I'm asking this question and you're starting with a story, you're delaying the response, right? So give me the response as fast as possible. That's how you write NLP-friendly content. No fluff, just take me straight to the answer, right? And it's not the case here. So how do we fix it? We can fix it by asking what is cold email, as I did here, what is cold email. And then the AI will give me a friendly way of writing that paragraph, right? And as you can see, it starts with cold email is unsolicited email sent to recipient without blah, 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 right? It starts straight with an answer. It's not delaying response. Another way you can use it is you can actually, let's say that you already have an existing article and you want to update it. You can actually copy and paste this here, just like I did. And then it will give a friendly, NLP-friendly way of writing this same paragraph, right? So, and you can go one step further, and because I like to train my writers, right? So what I do is sometimes my writers will have a paragraph already, and I'll go and fix it, and I'll tell them, well, look at yours and the one that AI suggested, right? Because we used to do this stuff manually. Now we're using AI to make things faster. So I put this prompt here, compare the differences between the two paragraphs and explain why the one you suggested is NLP friendly, right? And it breaks it down and it gives examples like why the one that AI suggested is NLP friendly. So this is also a great way for you to train your writers so that they understand how to write NLP friendly content. I hope that you find this video helpful. See you on the next one.